Hi, welcome to everyone. This is me from UA code 127.0.0.1. Students, hope so you are good and doing well in your life. Today I come to you with my new lecture, and in this lecture I am going to teach you about a new tool that is called recon-ng. Guys, before start my lecture, I would like to say you kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my upcoming lecture. Okay, if I talked about the recon-ng, basically it's a free and open source tool available on GitHub, and it is actually based on OSINT, open source intelligence, and it is the easiest and useful tool for reconnaissance. Mean to say, you can use this tool in order to get information about your target machine. When you are going to perform penetration testing, the first thing you have to gather information about your target machine, that is called reconnaissance. So guys, you can use this tool in reconnaissance space, and this tool actually you can use in Kali Linux. It provides you a command line interface, and it's somehow similar to the Metasploitable 1 or 2. If you don't familiar Metasploit 1 or 2, then I recommend you that you should explore both of these terminology. Now students, it's time to show you some practical about recon-ng. So for this purpose, I'm going to move my terminal window. Students, you can install the recon-ng from GitHub as well. And currently, I have also installed. I'm already installed recon-ng my Kali Linux. I just simply typed here recon-ng and hit enter. Now it's going to start. You can see basically recon-ng is now present here, and I'm able to use this. Students, you can use different options with the recon-ng. Something like that. If I type here help and hit enter, you can see the help menu displays some option that I can actually use with recon-ng. If you want to move one step back, then you can use back, dashboard, db, exit, help, and the rest of other option that I can actually use with recon-ng are present here. Okay guys, basically if I type here marketplace and hit enter, now you can see it gives me some reference how you can actually use marketplace option. If I typed here marketplace, and now if I typed here search and hit enter, you can see it display a list of modules that can I actually use with recon-ng. All these are modules. You to use recon-ng, first of all you should have any module installed on recon-ng, and this is the path, this is the version of this module, and status you can see currently this module is not installed, and here you can see a option is present, that is k mean to say API key. If I want to install this module right now, then I can install it without any key, but you can see some modules are present here with the static keys option. Mean to say, if I have API key, then I can use this module. So the thing is that actually I want to say some modules are present here that actually do not require API keys, and some modules are present here that actually you can use if you have API keys of these modules. You can see static mean to say the API keys is compulsory. If you have API key of this module, then you can actually install this. Let me show you. If I want to install this module, I'm just simply copy its path from here, and now I will scroll down, and let me show you how you can actually install the module. Now if I typed here, module, and now if I typed here load and hit enter, it says to me that if you want to load any modules, you should specify here its path. If I typed here module load and type this module path, and obviously it did not display. Currently this module is not installed. First I should install this module. If I typed here marketplace installed, and the path of the module, that is this one, I copied previously and hit enter, and students, as this modules require a API key, so I'm not able to install this module. Currently I should first install API key of this modules, then I'm able to install this module. Okay, now if I want to install this module, let me show you, is it possible or not. I'm just simply copy the path of this module from here, and again I typed here marketplace installed and then module path and hit enter. Now you can see I'm successfully installed this module. Currently no error is occurred regarding this module, as this module do not require any API key. This is free. Without API key I can actually use this module. The thing is that first of all, you should have any module in order to use the recon-ng. Currently if I typed here, okay, if I typed here marketplace, if I typed here marketplace, and now if I typed here search and hit enter, now you can see again a list of modules are present to me. If I typed here marketplace, and now if I typed here modules and modules search and hit enter, and if I typed here modules load, and I think I should move to my reference document. It's better that you should create some document as your reference for your guidelines. First I should install the module, so I can simply type here marketplace and then install hacker target. This is the module that actually I want to install, and this module is now successfully installed, as no error is occurred regarding this module. Now it's time to actually load this module. So I will type here module load. If I typed here modules and hit enter, or if I typed here module search and hit enter, you can see it display a list of modules that actually I have already installed. All these modules are installed here. So it's time to load a module. I typed here module and then load, and then module path here. I'm going to simply copy its path and paste it here. I should remove the space. So if I hit enter, now this module is successfully loaded. It's time to use some options here. You can type here info, and here you can see it's display some information about this module. You can see use the hackertarget.com API to find the host name. You can actually find the host name by using this module, and it actually required the source as well. You can type here the other option as well. If I typed here help, and now if I typed here shell, okay, students, now actually it's time to set the source. First thing that I installed the module, that is this one. Secondly, I load the module by using modules load command. Now it's time to set the source. I typed here option and now set and then source, and here you can specify any source. Right now if I typed here certified hacker.com and hit enter, my source is set successfully. If I typed here input and hit enter, now you can see it show me that your source is set successfully. You can use here different option. Now if I typed here run and hit enter, now you can see it's try to find different domains of this target, that is certified hacker. You can see it's find a different host. Let me show you. If I'm going to copy this host from here, move to my browser and specify the URL here. Some file is present to me. Okay, let me show you another one. So if I'm going to copy this from here, move to my browser and paste it here. Okay, it's display the some login page to me. So it's very useful information, useful page that I actually extract from the recon-ng. And you can either perform brute force login page brute force attack here. So you can check other host domain as well. If I'm going to copy this from here and paste it, okay, it show again the previous file. And now let me show you the other domains that I find. Okay, display the similar one. But you can see recon-ng find a lot of host name is against this target machine right now. Okay, now if I typed here show host and hit enter, you can see it display a total 396 host of this not of this target machine. It actually display combinedly. Some other sources are also set previously, so it display all host name combinedly, but you can use the show host command in order to display all the host of the target machine. So guys, this is the way how you can actually extract information about your target machine. You can move one step back by using back command. Again, if you want to install another module, you can just simply type here marketplace, and now if I typed here search and hit enter, a list of modules are present to you. You can install any modules that actually some present without keys and some required API keys. You can install any module and then used it. Right now here you can see installed, mean to say this module is installed, this module is also installed, and this one is also installed. Currently I installed this one. So students, this is the way how you can actually use the recon-ng for Reconnaissance. I hope students you will do practice about it. I will come to you with my new lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz and take care.